In this guide, we look at scraping specific data from a website. Click on the Simplescraper icon, and then click Scrape Details. Then, under Scrape Data, click Select Properties, and then hover over the element you wish to extract and click. The element will turn blue. In this case, we're scraping the job title, the days posted, the location, the salary, and we'll also scrape the link behind the Apply Now button. If the Select Properties UI is in the way, click on the arrow to move it to the other side of the page. Once you're done scraping, click on Finish Selecting. In the side panel, you see all the properties you selected are available, and you can click on the icon beside the property name to rename these as you wish. Once you've finished renaming your properties, scroll down and click on the blue Save Recipe button and give your recipe a descriptive name. Then click on Save Scrape Recipe, and Simplescraper will save the recipe in the cloud, making it available to run on the dashboard and in the side panel. To run your recipe, scroll up and click on the My Recipes tab, and then click on your recipe from the list. Then click on the blue Run Recipe button, and Simplescraper will open a new URL and begin scraping based on the properties that you selected earlier. You can then download that data directly, or for more powerful scraping, pass a list of URLs into this recipe and then scrape them all at once.